Hey guys, it's Rylynn here from Sena, and today I'm going to show you how to install your 50S unit, and today we're going to be installing it on a full face helmet. So let's get into it. So the first thing you want to do is remove all your cheek pads. For this video, we're going to use the universal helmet clamp as well as the wired mic. So you're going to want to put the clamp, loosen these, and put this part in between right here and the lining of the helmet. Like so. And then you're going to take your Allen wrench and tighten up these knots right here. So next you're going to want to put your hook and loops for the speakers on both sides, as well as for your wired mic up here. Make sure you do the shorter one of the two next to the unit clamp. So for the wired mic, we recommend putting it a little bit to the side of the vent so you're not getting the air noise coming in. So we have it to the side right here. Then you're going to take your wires and shove them in between the helmet and the liner. For the speaker wires, you're going to do the same thing in between the helmet and the liner. So then you reinstall the inner padded liner and the cheek pads. And now that everything is installed on the inside of the helmet, all you need to do is pop your unit on. And that's how you install your 50S. Thanks so much for watching, and I can't wait to catch you next time.